To find the relation field between two models, you first need to identify the model you are working with. Let us say we want to find the relation field between sale order and account.move. Before we are going to sale order, first we need to activate the developer mode. So we need to go to settings and scroll down, and you will see the developer tools. There is a activate the developer mode option. You have to click on that. After that, go to sales model, and you will see a small Spiderman icon on top of the page, and just click on that, and you will see view fields, and just click on that, and here you will see a search bar, and here you can search invoice ideas. You will get the result, and just click on that. You will see the associated field and related model. In here, it's a model is sale order and the related model is account.move. You can see the other details, and also you can search by model name. For our example, sale order, and search for model, and also search the related model. Let us search for sale order like, and here related model, and you will see the order line. You can find the related field like this also. You will also see the model name, sale order, and related model sale order like all the related field. The field type is one to me. You can get the related attribute and details in that field. This is how you can find the relation between two models. I hope you all understand the video. Thank you for watching.